Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. So in this video I'm gonna do a smoky eye look, so please keep on watching. First I'm using a Maybelline's primer and applying it all over my nose and forehead area. Next step, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation and applying it all over my face and blending it with the beauty blender. Next I'm using my eyeshadow palette and using the orange shade to apply it above the eyelid to give it an even and nice look. Next I'm using my iconic kajal and applying it on my eyelid. You don't have to be precise, just apply it however you want to, and then we are going to blend it with a brush. Now blending it with a brush, blend it nicely and evenly. Taking a black eyeshadow from the same palette and making it more even, applying it all over my eyelid again. Now taking a red shadow from the same palette, I'm applying it above my lid to give it a nice red look. Now I'm taking a clean brush and smoothing it out all the shadows together to make it look clean. Now applying highlighter in my inner corners, in bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, on my cheeks, everywhere possible, you know. Applying Maybelline's mascara, trying not to make ugly faces. Hard time making ugly faces with mascara. Oh my god. Doing my eyebrows real quick. contour. Applying Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.